Hello guys, thanks for tuning in again. And we have more CAT product. Yes. Or should say DiecastMasters caterpillars. On 164 scale. You know the drill. We unbox this one, and this one, and today's turn is the roller with Cav. Here's all the details on the packaging. Here's the packaging. Let's open it up. Whoa, man, this thing it's light. It's like mostly plastic. Like this is metal right here, this is metal, and this is metal. Everything else plastic. Unfortunate. Oh look, we have a little bit of cabin detail, the operator's joystick and screen. That's pretty cool. Be cool if you could remove this to put like a driver in it. Anywhere, here's details. More CAT logos. Lights in the front, painted of course. And on the back, there's a roll, nice. Yep, rolls pretty nice. Just the back of the cab. Pretty cool. Here it is, guys. The vibrator. Let me know what you think. As always, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.